So hey everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I will tell you what is proposal, what is acceptance, what is a reciprocal of promise, and what is an agreement. So in this video, I'm talk about in details and with example. After that, you will understand the concept and concept will be totally explicit. So watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Before I start, if you're new over here, my friend, I'm requesting you subscribe, hit the like button and press the notification bell. So let's begin. So what is a proposal? So Indian Contract Act 1872 section 2 subclause A deal with the proposal. So what does it mean by proposal? Proposal, you can also say an offer. So what does it mean by offer? Offer means if any persons have a willing to make an offer for anything. For example, I'm giving you an example, after that you will understand. So I'm holding one market in my hand. So I want to sell that market at 5 rupees. So that's why I'm making offer, I'm making announcement before the public. And I can also make an offer for specific persons also. For example, I want to sell that market 5 rupees only for the now. Okay, so that's why I'm declare and I'm announce I want to sell that marker at 5 rupees. So that is called as a proposal. So that is the example of the proposal. You can also say that is the offer. Section 2 subclause A deal with the proposal. So that is the proposal. And what is an acceptance? So what is an acceptance? Section 2 subclause B deal with the acceptance. Acceptance means agree. Acceptance means agree. You can also say agree. For example, when I made an offer before that person and before the publicly announced, that time if any persons came to me and said that he want to buy that one, okay, at 5 rupees. So that means he accept my offer. So that is the acceptance. For example, A make an offer before the public, and here B came and B share his willingness to buy that thing. Okay, so that is called an acceptance. So section 2 subclause B deal with an acceptance. So that is a proposal. Section 2 subclause A deal with that, and section 2 subclause B deal with an acceptance. And what is a promisee and what is a promiser? So the persons who make an offer, he called a promiser, and the persons who accept that offer, he called a promisee. So section 2 subclause C deal with the promiser and promisee. Promiser is that persons who make an offer before the public and for specific persons. That person is called a promiser, and the promisee who accept that offer, that person is called as a promisee. So I hope you understand that thing. And what is a reciprocal of promise? So what is a reciprocal of promise? First I clear the board, then I will write. So I write down that. So what is a reciprocal of promise? So section 2 subclause H deal with a reciprocal of promise. So what does it mean? The promise which form the considerations or part of the considerations for each and other are called a reciprocal of promise. For example, there is a B, there are A, B and C. Okay, there are three persons and they agree to buy that market at 5 rupees. For example, 6 rupees. Okay, and both of the party give 2 rupees. Then it is total 6 rupees. So that is called as a reciprocal of promise, because both of the party give some considerations, and apart from that they get that marker. It can be a marker, it can be anything. So that is called as a reciprocal of promise, because every person's number of persons, for example 2, it can be 1, it not can be 1, it can be 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is depend on the persons who make an offer and who are ready to accept that offer between between, for example, it can be 5, it can be 6 persons also. So that is called a reciprocal of promise. So I hope you understand the reciprocal of promise. Section 2 subclause F deal with a reciprocal of promise. Reciprocal of promise, basically each of the party give the consideration, and apart from that they get that product and they get that thing which they want to buy. Just because of that they are ready to give that considerations. So now what is an agreement? What is an agreement? So section 2 subclause E deal with a agreement. The every promise and the every set of promise forming the considerations for each other is an agreement. So forming the considerations of each other, as I said, the considerations means something is written. For example, when I am sell that marker, apart from that the persons who buy that one, he will give me some rupees. So that persons who buy that marker, for example A buy that marker and I sell that marker, I am B, so I get a 5 rupees, and that persons who buy that on, he get that marker. So that is the considerations. Each of the party gets some consideration, something is written. That persons who buy, he get that marker, and I'm selling that. Just because of that I'm get a 5 rupees. So that is the considerations. When the any promise, that's why the definition is every promise and every set of promise forming with the considerations for each other. So that is an agreement. And another thing also, the agreement which is not enforceable by law, that is a void, and it can be voidable also. So I hope the offer, acceptance, proposals, promisor and promisee, and agreement and reciprocal of promise, the concept would be clear from your brain after watch this video. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you want to make me video on any topic, you can suggest me on which topic you want to get a video from my side, and I would try to make a video on that topic as easy as I can. So that's all for today. I'm come back with another video. So now Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.